guys, here's another lesson and divide them up. We're going to solve the division word problem. We're on the ice cream cones today. Okay, it says Ivan scooped 16 scoops of ice cream evenly onto 8 cones. How many scoops of ice cream are on each cone? Okay, so altogether, he scooped 16 scoops of ice cream. That's our dividend. That's how many he scooped all together. Okay, so he scooped 16 scoops of ice cream evenly onto 8 cones. So 8 will be our dividend because he scooped 16 scoops of ice cream for 8 cones. Okay, so imagine, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let those little lines here represent the cones. Okay, so imagine these are ice cream cones, just like this one. Well, for each of these 8 cones, we have to see how many scoops there are on them. 16 is more than 8, so there must be a lot of multiple scoops on each of these cones. I don't know if you've ever gotten that before, but you don't have to stop at 1. You can get 2 or 3 or 4. Just depends on how hungry you are that day. Okay, so let's go to our multiplication table. Okay, 16 divided by 8. All right, so 8 is going to be our divisor. This number right out here, that's what we're going to start with, 8. And we will just go down until we find the dividend, which is 16. And we didn't have to go down far because there it is. So let's just go straight across from the 16 and get our quotient or our answer. It looks like our answer is 2. So we're going to put 2 right up here. Because 2 times 8 equals 16. 8 times 2 equals 16. But we've solved our problem. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So let's go ahead and go back to our worksheet here. Okay, so Ivan scooped 16 scoops of ice cream evenly onto 8 cones. How many scoops of ice cream are there on each cone? 2. So each of these ice cream cones look about like that. It's a double scoop ice cream because there's 2 scoops of ice cream in each of these 8 cones for a grand total of 16 double scoop ice creams. All right, tomorrow we will be doing, let's see what it is, the cactus. And then on Tuesday, we will be doing the swimming toes. See you guys at noon.